Australian natural gas is used.
This is an emergency alert. The current threat level is emergency. An outbreak of hantavirus is currently occurring within Australia. A passenger at Tullamarine Airport has spread the virus through transport via air travel. Contact tracing has been unsuccessful as it is out in the open with the public. Symptoms of hantavirus include fever and chills, fatigue, and tiredness, muscle aches especially in thighs, hips, back, and shoulders, headaches, gastrointestinal issues, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea or abdominal pain, coughing, shortness of breath, tightness in the chest, low blood pressure, rapid heart rate, intense headache and back and abdominal pain, blurred vision, flushing of the face or red eyes, acute kidney failure, low urine output and internal bleeding and vascular leakage, followed by death. Civilians are advised to follow COVID-19 precautions, such as wearing a mask and social distancing. Yes, this will be triggering for people, but if we work together, this all be controlled and contained. At this, a lockdown will be called for Victoria with mainland and islands border closures. If cases begin to spike alarmingly, a nationwide lockdown will be in effect. The Prime Minister will address the nation 1 hour or so. Protesting will not be tolerated during this time, and if you are caught, police and the Defence Force have full power to open fire. This is a very serious and harsh decision, but is there to keep order on our streets. Further updates will be provided as the situation unfolds. Information will be available on television, radio and social media announcements through official government accounts, and be wary of false information spread via fake news sites. Stay calm, stay vigilant and stay safe.